Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add social media icons to footer in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will be redirected to the Themes page. And beside the theme that you're using, you're going to see Customize. I want you to tap on Customize. Once you have selected Customize, you will be redirected to the Editor page. On the Editor page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to see Footer, and you're going to tap on Footer. Once you have tapped on Footer, you're going to scroll down a bit, and you're going to ensure that Show Social Media Icons is ticked, as you can see right there. Once it is ticked, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Theme Settings. After selecting Theme Settings, you're going to see the different social media platforms, as you can see right here. Now all you'll need to do is simply paste in your profile page. So for example, let's say I would like to add my Facebook link. So I'll simply go onto facebook.com, then tap on my profile name from the left-hand menu option. Once I'm on my profile page, I'm going to simply copy the URL. Then I'm going to go back into Shopify and I'm going to paste it right here. After you have pasted it right here, you will realize that you now see the Facebook icon. You can see it right there. So I have Facebook added and I also have Twitter added, as you can see there. So all you'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.